So, a lot of things have happened this week, not least the somewhat surprising and not surprising timing of the arrest of Sam Bankman-Fried, the notorious FTX former chief. There's also been a run on Binance, the so-called run on the bank, but the Binance exchange is still standing strong. What does that say? Shame on those who are spreading fraud, we say. Then there is the infamous Kevin O'Leary testimony in front of the US Congress as part of the investigation into the FTX collapse, which I think successfully managed to show the kind of person Kevin O'Leary is. That is someone who wants power and control at any cost. What about the Fed's interest rate rise by 50 basis points? What are your thoughts on that? We think it's a welcome development because it's come down from 75 basis points to 50 basis points. But you know what, folks? After all this, the most important weekly update for us on this channel is our 15K to 600K portfolio update, which is one of our public portfolios. Hi guys, this is FD for Sage5.tv once again, back with an update on one of our portfolios, the 15K to 600K portfolio challenge, where we share with you guys how our portfolio is doing, whether we've made additions, and any weekly price movement. Again, guys, what's in this video is not financial advice. These are just my own opinions. If you require financial advice, guys, I think by now you know you should always approach someone who's trying to give you financial advice. The information contained in this video is just for entertainment as well as educational purposes. So in this week's update to our 15K to 600K public portfolio update, we have no new additions. So it's just going to be the good old public portfolio update to highlight any movements up or down. But my guess is to expect downward movement due to what we've been experiencing all week. And today is just another red day across the board. So here we go. 6 crypto ecosystems, $2,500 worth of investment into each of those 6, with individual positions set at a minimum of $250 to be invested across a selection of projects. Starting with the Dotsama ecosystem as usual, where we hold 2 positions in RMRK, an NFT and Metaverse project on the Kusama blockchain, and Bit.Country, another Metaverse project also on the Kusama network. So with a total of $721.33 invested into these 2 Metaverse projects and no new additions to our positions, we will open this week's weekly updates with Bit.Country Pioneer and its NEAR token. Price-wise, last week's price was sitting at 25.77 cents. Portfolio value last week was sitting at $207.13. This week's price is sitting at 24.24 cents. Week-on-week percentage change, we are 6% down. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $194.86. Overall NEAR position performance, we are down 19.55% or $47.34 in the red. Just as a reminder as well, guys, you can also stake your NEAR tokens to earn some rewards in BIT, the utility token for the Bit.Country ecosystem. There's no date yet as to when the BIT token can be traded on DEXs or SEXs, which is centralized exchange in other words. With a market cap of under $5 million, Bit.Country Pioneer and its NEAR token have great potential at current prices. If that's what you're looking at, price that is. If you're looking for the fundamentals instead, then I'm glad to highlight that Bit.Country Pioneer team, small as it may, is so focused on what they need to do to make this project a success. Well, at least that's what it looks like from looking outside in. What are your thoughts? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Next up is RMRK, where we hold 206.77 RMRK tokens at an average cost of $2.32 with an overall cost of $478.88. Price-wise, last week's price was sitting at $1.91. Portfolio value last week was sitting at $395.59. This week's price is sitting at $1.81. Week-on-week percentage change, we are down 5.2%. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $374.46. Overall RMRK position performance, we are down by $104.42 or 21.8% down. Like I've already highlighted in previous videos, RMRK is a token I also hold in my private portfolio, and they've continued to add to my bag at these prices because I do believe they're quite attractive. As part of our public portfolio, we have also acquired some land from the current RMRK Skybreach land auctions currently taking place. We have a new video lined up that will provide more details on that, so please watch this space. We shall also share our plans for those plots of land. I think we have 6 or 7, a mixture of rare land plots as well as common ones, so watch the space again. As far as our current RMRK position is concerned, we aim to keep accumulating when we can. This is not financial advice, of course, guys. Do your own research, or at least when you're doing your research, try and diversify your resource pool. Don't just base your decisions on one YouTuber or just on YouTube. Do other research that might involve reading or going to Twitter spaces and so forth. Okay, that's how I do my research anyway. Next up is the lending and borrowing protocol on the Cardano blockchain, and that is AADAFinance. AADAFinance. We've invested a total of $173.69 into AADAFinance, and this project token, the AADA token, is dumped the most. It is certainly one of the worst positions within our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge, one of our public portfolios. So price-wise, last week's price for the AADA token was sitting at 22.07 cents. Portfolio value last week was sitting at $35.73. This week's price is sitting at 19.98 cents. Week-on-week price change, we are down 9.85%. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $32.34. Overall portfolio performance, we are down $141.34 or 81.38% down. Once again, AADAFinance continues to be one of the worst positions within our 15K to 600K public portfolio challenge. What are your thoughts on AADAFinance future? Again, guys, let us know in the comment section. It could be that now that the price is settled around the 19-20 cents, is it the time to start adding more to our position? We don't know. Let us know in the comment section what you think, guys. I do believe that is about time we add to our Cardano blockchain portfolio position or portion of our portfolio. What do you guys think? Which project should we be looking at? One of the projects we've done a DWA or a risk evaluation, which is in the pipeline, is ERGOPlatform, a project we looked at closely and into detail. So it could be one of the projects we'll be adding to our Cardano portion of our 15K to 600K public portfolio. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comment section. Next up is Akash Network. Akash Network is a crypto project on the Cosmos ecosystem within our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge. In Akashi, we do hold 1,083 AKT tokens with an average cost price of 23.19 cents at a total cost of $251.11 invested, and no new additions to our Akashi position this week. Akashi Network's AKT token weekly price movement are as follows. Last week's price was sitting at 22.79 cents. Portfolio value last week was sitting at $246.85. This week's price is sitting at 20.46 cents. Week-on-week price change, we are down 10.2%. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $221.64. Overall portfolio performance, we are in the red by $29.41 or 11.71% down. Just as a reminder as well, we have uploaded a new video on Akashi highlighting the cost advantages of using Akashi Network versus legacy giants such as Amazon Web Services or AWS, Google Cloud Platform or GCP, and Microsoft Azure. It's such an eye-opening video for those who use legacy service providers for their cloud computing requirement. I certainly found it quite impressive. Anyway, I don't want to do too much. You go watch that video and make your own decision. Let us know what you think as well. Next up is NEARProtocol, a promising layer 1 crypto project that we are also bullish on. With no additions to our NEAR position this week, our average buying price remains $3.32 and we hold 56.43 NEAR tokens at a total cost of $187.99. Last week's price was sitting at $1.72. Portfolio value last week was sitting at $96.89. This week's price is sitting at $1.53. So that's a big drop there. Week-on-week price change, we are down 11%. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $86.18. Overall portfolio performance, we are down $101.34 or minus 54.04% in the red. In my opinion though, NEAR remains a solid layer 1 project with a growing ecosystem and is a promising future in my view. What do you guys think about NEARProtocol? Let us know in the comment section what your thoughts are and if there are any projects you think have got great potential in the NEAR ecosystem. Let us know in the comment section. Once you're down there, guys, as well, don't forget to click like and subscribe as well as smash that notification bell. And we are going to conclude this week's updates with the Ethereum portion of our 15K to 600K public portfolio. Our 3 positions from last week are VulcanForged and its PYR token, PerpetualProtocol and the PEP token, as well as the latest edition RMRK.app and the RBN token. Starting with VulcanForged, a Metaverse project on the Ethereum blockchain, we own 102.81 units of the PYR token with an average unit cost price of $3.50 at an overall cost of $359.96 invested to date. And with no new additions to our PYR token positions, let's jump straight to some price changes week on week. Last week's price was sitting at $3.20. Portfolio value last week was sitting at $328.89. This week's price is sitting at $3.12. Week on week price change, we are down 2.85%. Not bad considering what's happening elsewhere. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $320.71. Overall PYR position performance, we are down $39.12 or minus 10.87% in the red. A slight dip from last week. Not bad as well. VulcanForged is a crypto project that continues to add more fundamentals during this bear market, and we are certainly going to witness some fireworks come the next bull run. Obviously not financial advice, guys. Please do your own research. Next up is PerpetualProtocol and the PEP token. Our initial position is for 1,000 units of the PEP token at an an average price of 42.5 cents at an overall cost of $425. Price-wise, last week's price was sitting at 47.27 cents. Portfolio value last week was sitting at $472.68. This week's price is sitting at 43.5 cents. Week-on-week percentage changes, we are down 8% on last week. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $435.02 and is down by about $37.66 on last week. Overall, PEP position performance, we are up by $11.04 or 2.6% up, so still slightly up. Next up is Ribbon Finance and the RBN token. Ribbon Finance is a blockchain protocol that provides users with sophisticated, decentralized financial products or DeFi products. We opened our position with 1,111 units at a price of 22.84 cents per each RBN token and at a total cost of $253.80 price-wise. Last week's price was sitting at 23.13 cents. Portfolio value last week was $256.98. This week's price is sitting at 24.58 cents. Week-on-week percentage change, we are up by 6.3% from last week's position, so that is not bad at all. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $273.14. Overall RBN position or Ribbon Finance position performance, we are up by $20.10 or 7.92% up. Anyway, any thoughts to what we currently have in our Ethereum basket? Please comment below and let us know your thoughts. Other projects that we are currently looking at closely include Kujira. Kujira is another project within the Cosmos ecosystem. Then you also have Octopus Network and NEARProtocol project and Secret Network, another Cosmos blockchain project. Those are three projects that will be making a move in the near term. What are your thoughts? Do you think these are decent projects to make a move as far as you're concerned? Let us know in the comment section. For more on this, please visit our YouTube channel for some of our DYOR videos. We are yet to open positions in Ergo. That will be coming at some point. We will also be looking at more layer ones for our 15k to 600k portfolio challenge in order to create a more balanced portfolio. These layer ones, we know already what they are, so no prices for guessing which one. So overall, the 15k to 600k public portfolio challenge has seen a total of $2,378.88 invested, and currently the overall portfolio value is sitting at $1,942.65. So we are approximately $436 in the red or 18.3% down. We plow along adding more great projects to our 15k to 600k public portfolio until our budget has been spent in full. Exciting times ahead for sure. What are your thoughts, guys? Do you think it's exciting? I know some people don't like bear markets. For us, sometimes bear market, the timing is just not right because you want the bear market to come when you've got plenty of powder left on the sideline. We'll keep adding to our position and we'll continue to hold and add more projects to our 15k to 600k public portfolio, and we're prepared to hold our positions until the next bull run. Questions for you guys. Is the arrest of Sam Bankman-Fried a signal for the absolute bottom? Let us know in the comment section. What are your thoughts? It could be the bottom for him, but is it the bottom for the bear market? Comment down below and let us know your thoughts. Secondly, which crypto category do you think will outperform the rest come the next bull run? Again, let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Until next time, guys, this was your update on our 15k to 600k public portfolio challenge with your host FD for Sage5.tv, signing out for now. Bye.